5 Best Water Heater 2018. Here is the product number 5. EcoSmart XCG50 ProMax Tall Gas Water Heater. The ProMax family offers a wide range of water heating solutions, from models that help you qualify for gas utility rebates to high recovery models ideal for large families with high demand for hot water. And our specialty vent gas water heater options can be installed almost anywhere in your home because they can vent up to 40 feet. Here is the product number 4. Westinghouse 80 gal. 4,500 watts lifetime, size: 80 gallon. The Westinghouse high-efficiency electric water heater has high recovery rates, low standby heat losses, and features an aesthetically pleasing faux stainless steel exterior. The 316-liter stainless steel in a tank offers superior corrosion resistance, is laser welded for precision, and has a limited lifetime warranty when registered online. Here is the product number 3. Stiebel Eltron Tempra Plus 29 kilowatts. Stiebel Eltron Tempra 29 Plus electric tankless water heater, 208-240 volts. The Tempra Plus is the most technologically advanced tankless water heater available on the market today. The Tempra series has been redesigned completely inside and out, upgraded heavy-duty electronics, a simple single-flow sensor design, a hinged cover for easy access. Here is the product number 2. Rheem RTE13 electric tankless water heater. Ideal for point-of-use applications, continuous hot water on-demand, energy-efficient compact design, fits almost anywhere on unit. Temperature control LEDs indicate active element and standby mode. Standard 1/2 water connection. Rugged brass, copper heat exchanger applications. Homes, apartments, condos, hospitals, hotels, boats, restaurants, offices, laboratories. Here is the product number 1. EcoSmart Eco 27 electric tankless water heater. Configured for cold climates or high flow rates. Well suited where incoming water temperature can drop below 45 F. For use in more demanding water usage applications. Self-modulating flow sensor technology regulates the amount of energy required to heat the water needed. Digital temperature display showing the outlet water temperature setting.
Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.